Hi student, this is Arakya ma'am from Max in All, அனைத்திலும் கணிதம். Unit 2 Numbers, Part 4. In this video, we are going to focus on crore in many ways and also lakh in many ways. Then, learn to use abacus. Finally, exercise 2.2a. Crore in many ways. This is the picture which is given in your book. So, for this only, we are going to find the answer now. Okay. So, 1 crore means, yes, after 1, we have to mention 7 zeros should be there, isn't it? So, 1க்கு அடுத்து 7 zeros இருக்கணும். அப்படி இருந்துச்சுன்னா அது வந்து 1 crore னு meaning. So, here is 1 crore. So, now what we have to find out? Yes, how many ones are there in this 1 crore? So, ஒரு crore எத்தனை ones இருக்குன்னு கேக்குறாங்க. Ones mean just you keep in mind 1 rupee. Ones na 1 rupee ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க. So, அப்ப இது ஈஸியா இருக்கும். So, at the top you have to write ones column, then that full is the answer. That means yellow shaded are the answers for this one. இது புரிஞ்சுக்க கஷ்டமா இருக்கும், but I'll explain you. So, இப்போ ஒரு take one 10 rupees. ஒரு 10 rupees எடுத்துக்கோங்க. அதுல எத்தனை 1 ரூபாய் இருக்குன்னு யோசிங்க. Assume that. So, 10 rupees are there. So, how many 1 rupees are there in that 10 rupees? So, it's easy now, isn't it? Yes. So, 10 1 rupees are there. So, 1 ரூபாய் காயினா 10 காயின் வச்சிங்கன்னா தான் உங்களுக்கு 10 ரூபாய் கிடைக்கும். Am I right? Yes. Now, it's easy to understand, isn't it? So, இப்போ புரிஞ்சுக்க முடியும். Then, next one. 1 crore ல how many tens are there? That is our next one. So, it's easy. Tensக்கு 10 rupee ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க. So, இதுக்கு எப்படி எழுதணும்னா at the top you have to mention 1 10. So, up to 10th column is the answer for this. Yes, this is the answer. Like this you have to find out. So, on the place value எப்படி அந்த topல இருக்கோ அது வரைக்கும் உள்ளது answer. Now, next one is 100, isn't it? Fine. இதுவும் அதே மாதிரி தான் 100 rupee ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கலாம். So, 1 10 100 போட்டாச்சு. So, up to that is the answer. So, easier இருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன் இப்போ. Fine. So, in 1 crore, next 1000. In this also 1 10 100, then 1000. So, up to 1000th column is the answer. Good. Then, next you will find out, isn't it? 10,000 also again. 1 10 100, then 1000 and 10,000. Up to that is the answer. So, whatever number given like this, you have to write the place value first at the top and then find the answer. So, up to lakh I have entered. Yes, this is the answer. So, it's easy, I think. At last, 10 lakhs. Up to 10 lakhs we are going to find out. Yes, 10 lakhs are there. After this, crore only. So, hope you understand. So, lakhs in many ways. See at the right side top. Do you know questions is there, which we have already learnt in past video itself, isn't it? Okay, don't forget about that. Fine, come to the lakhs in many ways. So here itself I can enter the answer, but anyway we are going to enter into the aquarium. Aquarium means where the fish living in the water. Shall we go? Fine. 1 lakh. So after 1 5 zeros should be there. Am I right? Yes. So what to do now? We are going to find the ones only. So இதுல 1 ரூபாவா எத்தனை 1 ரூபாய் சேர்த்தா நமக்கு 1 lakh கிடைக்கும்? This is the question. So புரிஞ்சுக்க முடியும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். So as it is. So at the top I have mentioned ones, isn't it? So ones mention பண்ணியிருக்கிற மாதிரி இது வரைக்குமே நமக்கு 1 lakh தான். So அப்போ 1 lakh 1 should be there. Look at here, after 1 5 zeros are there. So this is the correct answer. Then come to the 10 rupees. So இதே மாதிரி 10 rupee note எத்தனை வச்சா 1 lakh கிடைக்கும்? That is the question. So how many zeros are there? We have to find out. So after 1 1 2 3 4 4 zeros are there. So this is the correct answer. See here, check with this. 1 after 1 2 sorry, after 1 1 2 3 4 4 zeros are there. So 10,000 tens is the correct answer. Then 100, this is the correct answer. Just to check it. After 1 3 zeros should be there. 1000, after 1 2 zeros should be there. Good. Then for 10,000, yes, 10,000 should be there in 1 lakh. Fill the correct numbers in the following table. So here is the tabular column which is given in your book. So not only crores or lakhs, whatever given we have to find out. Okay, come let us go. In 1 crore, 1 crore is there. In 1 crore, 10 lakhs are there. அதாவது 10 rupees 10 lakhs இருந்துச்சுன்னா that is also equal to 1 crore. In 1 crore 100 lakhs are there. அதாவது 100 rupee note lakhsல வச்சோம்னா அத்தனை times வச்சோம்னா it is also equal to 1 crore only. That is the meaning. Okay, so it is easy to find out now. Then come to the second column. In 10 lakhs, 10 lakhs is there. Where is the crore? It's missing, isn't it? Why? Because 10 rupees குள்ள எத்தனை 1 rupees இருக்குன்னா சொல்ல முடியும். So 1 rupeeல எத்தனை 10 rupees சொல்ல முடியுமா? Not possible, isn't it? Okay. So 10 lakhsக்கு நம்ம இப்ப கண்டுபிடிக்க போறோம். 10 lakhs குள்ள 10 lakhs are there. And in 10 lakhsல how many lakhs are there? 10 lakhs are there. Yes. There itself you have the answer. Next one is 100, then 1000, and 10,000 hundreds are there. 1 lakh tens are there, and 10 lakh ones are there. Likewise, we have to find out. See, with remaining and I'll fill for you. But you should not copy from this. Just you have find out and then check with this answer. For this only I have entered all the answers in this video. So you are all bright students. You should not copy. To get a practice only, it's easy to understand. Hope you get it. One let us know picture is given in your book. So 9,999, which is greatest 4-digit number, isn't it? So with that, if we add 1, we will get 10,000. That is equal to given in the number names. So 10,000. Likewise, greatest 5-digit number. So if we add with 1, so look at here. How many zeros are there? After 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 zeros are there. So that means it equal to lakh. Likewise, which is given, we have to find out. So 10 lakhs. Finally, greatest 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 digits are there. Greatest 7 digits. Then if we add with that 1, we will get 1 crore. 1 crore means what? After 1, 7 zeros should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So which is equal to crore. Let us learn with the abacus. I'll give the picture. Just assume this. Now come to the definition. Abacus is a counting device that consists of a frame holding rods on which a specific number of beads are free to move. Each rod denotes place values such as units, 10, 100, etc. Fine. Come to this abacus image. See here in this last ones column. See here is the place value ones, O for ones. So how many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So totally 4 ones are there. Likewise, tens column 8 tens are there. Hundreds column, hundreds column 2 hundreds are there. In thousands column 4 are there, and 10,000 column 3. That means 3 10,000s are there. Okay. Now here is the question. So look at here. The above abacus shows the number 34,284. Okay. Number name also given 34,284. So our answer is correct. Next, expanded form. 3 10,000 plus 4,000 plus 200 plus 8 tens plus 4 ones. So from this we are going to find this answer. Am I right? So 3 10,000 which is converted into rounded numbers 30,000. That means what is the next? 4,000. So 4 after 3 zeros should be there, isn't it? Give the answer 4,000. Next 200 is there. Then what is the next? 8 tens. That means 80 should become good. And finally 4 should become. Like this we have to expand. So in the next column, how to fill it? 30,000 is splitted into 3 into 10,000. Am I right? So 4 into 1000 should be come here. 2 into 100. Then finally 8 into 10. Then finally one more is there, isn't it? 4 into 1 equal to 4. Like this, we have to fill this column. Activity 3. In this, we are going to find all the answers from abacus rod. Okay. Look at this. Look at this ones column. How many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, isn't it? So answer is 5. Likewise, here 1. Here 4 are there, and this 5. Then 3. In next 2 is there. In here 4 is there. In this 6 are there. So just you have to write all this number in this empty place. Okay. In this empty place. Fine. So with that comma only you should write. Don't forget. So wherever you are going to write this number, you have to mention with commas only according to their group. So from this I am going to write the number name, which we have already learnt about the number name, isn't it? So I'll explain you 6 crore, isn't it? நீ வாங்க 6 crore. அதை அப்படியே எழுதிக்கோங்க. Then 4 2 both are in same group, isn't it? Lakh group. So 42 lakhs. That was given here 42 lakhs. Then here 3 10,000 and 5,000. So both are in thousand group. So 35,000. Check here 35,000. Finally 415. That is the last group. That means first group. 415, isn't it? Fine. Now expanded form, which is given in the names also. 6. See here 6 crores and then plus dash 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs means you have to find here. So 10 lakhs means 4 10 lakhs are there, isn't it? So just you enter here 4 10 lakhs. Likewise, how many lakhs are there? 2. So that is the correct answer. Likewise, 3. What should become? 3, what is the answer? 3 10,000, isn't it? Okay. So 3 10,000. So here 5,000. Finally here 4 10,000. That is the next one. Sorry, 400. then 110 and 5 ones, isn't it? Good. Now come to the next column. We are going to round off the numbers which is given already. So இதே மாதிரி நம்ம எழுதி fill பண்ணிட்டு finally 6 into 1 crore. See, look at the commas. Then come to the next. Then likewise you have to split and write with the round of numbers. Here 100 is given, so 4 is the correct answer. Finally what should come? 5 into 1, so this is the correct answer. Exercise 2.2a, first question. In 15,478, isn't it? Look at here, in 15,478, first one, the place value of 7 is. So 7 oda place value ennan kekranga. For that, what is our first work? We have to mention the place value. Am I right? Fine. So just I mention all the place value. Now it's easy, isn't it? So 7 above, what is the place value? 10. So 7 into 10, 70. 70 is the correct answer. Like this you have to mention all the answers. Next one, the place value of 4. So what is the answer? 4 into 100. So 4h, isn't it? So 4 into 100, 400 is the correct answer. Finally, the place value of 1 is. So 1 above, what will be the answer? TT. TT means 10,000. See here, 10,000. So what should be the answer? 1 TT equal to 1 into 10,000, that is equal to 10,000. Exercise 2.2a, second sum, fill the table with the place value for the following numbers. So place value வச்சு நம்ம இந்த numbers fill பண்ண போறோம். Okay வா? Fine. So look at the first one, 23,45,172, isn't it? So இதை lakh column இருந்து start பண்ணிருக்காங்க. See here, 23 lakhs. Then 45,000 and 172. Okay. Now come to the second question, 84,701. So now we have to start with 84, isn't it? 84,000 column start பண்ணணும். That means we have to start from here. Okay. But இப்படி எழுதும்போது sometimes if we do mistake means we will get a wrong answer, isn't it? So அதனால as usual let us start with ones place. So ones placeல என்ன இருக்கு? 1. So அதனால நம்மளும் என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? ones placeக்கு போயிடுவோம். So one placeல 1 fill பண்ணலாம். ஓகேவா? Okay. In 10th place 0, 100 place 7, 1000 place 4 and 10,000 place 8. Now we get the exact answer. Likewise, I'll fill all the answers. Just watch it. So you're all brilliant students. Don't copy from this. You have to try and then get practice. You can check by yourself. That's not a problem, but you should not copy. It's easy now. Just fill from the ones place. Fine. So hope you get it, ma. Third sum, find the difference between greatest 7-digit number and smallest 6-digit number. So greatest 7-digit number, இது ஏற்கனவே greatest smallestலே பார்த்திருப்போம். I'll explain you. So what is the task is difference. So difference means we have to do minus only. Sum கேட்டாங்கன்னா we should add, but here difference only they are asking. So we have to do subtraction. Okay. This one more question which is given in the exercise 2.3. 2.2லையும் ஒரே questions தான். இதே questionே just little bit modify பண்ணி 2.3லையும் கேட்டிருக்காங்க. So go through this. இதுக்கு என்ன difference? See, look at this. இதுல find the difference ன்னு கேக்குறாங்க. இதுல subtract ன்னு கொடுத்து கேக்குறாங்க. Subtract smallest 6-digit number from greatest 7-digit number. So questions என்னமோ same தான், but words are different, isn't it? See here, இதில் என்ன கேட்காங்க, greatest 7 digit number, இதிலையும் greatest 7 digit number, and இங்க smallest 6 digit number, இங்கேயும் smallest 6 digit number. ஸோ இப்போ புரிஞ்சுக்க முடியும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். ஸோ இதில் ஃப்ரம்ங்கிறத ரொம்ப முக்கியம். ஸோ எதை வேணால் டாப்பில் போடலாங்கிறதுல which is bigger, you have to mention that only. So here which is bigger, 6 or 7, which is bigger? எத்தனை டிஜிட் வந்து பிக்கராக இருக்குது? 7 தான் நமக்கு பிக்கஸ்ட், isn't it? ஸோ இன்னும் சொல்ல போனால் இந்த ஃப்ரம் இருக்கு இல்லையா, இது ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். வாட் எவர் நம்பர் கிவன், ஃப்ரம் ஆஃப்டர் வாட் நம்பர் ஷுட் கம், தட் ஷுட் பி கம் இன் டாப். கஷ்டமாக இருக்கா? ஓகே. சப்போஸ் இஃப் யூ டோன்ட் ஹாவ் பென்சில், வாட் மேம் சே? மேம் என்ன சொல்லுவாங்க? கெட் ஃப்ரம் ஹர் ஆர் கெட் ஃப்ரம் தட் பாய், கெட் ஃப்ரம் திஸ் பாய், அப்படி சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா? ஸோ அவங்கக்கிட்ட இருந்து, ஸோ அதே மாதிரி தான் ஃப்ரம்க்கு அப்புறம் என்ன நம்பர் வருதோ அதை தான் நம்ம டாப்பில் போடணும். இப்போ ஓரளவு புரிஞ்சுக்க முடியும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். ஜஸ்ட் I'll give the answer, go through this. ஓகேவா? ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கிரேட்டஸ்ட் 7 digit நம்பர் அதை எடுத்துப்போம். ஸோ 7 digit should be there, 7 இருக்கணும், 7 digit should be there, but greatest number is 9, isn't it? So 9 9 9 9 9 9 9, so 7 times is there, 7 தடவை எழுதியாச்சு. Then smallest 6 digit number, in this 1 is the smallest number and remaining we have to join with zeros. So if I join 5 zeros only, I'll get totally 6 digits. So that I mentioned here. நம்ம ஏற்கனவே smallest greatestல அந்த வீடியோலே பார்த்துட்டோம். பார்க்காதவங்க அதை பாருங்க. You will be get a clearance. Okay. From this I did this. Go through this now. See, 99 lakhs, 99,999. Then smallest 6 digit number is 1 lakh. From this I minus this number, I got this answer, 98 lakh 99,999. So final answer is yes. Difference between greatest 7 digit number and smallest 6 digit number is 98 lakh 99,999. In this video, I try to make you understand, I think. If you have any doubt, ping me or ring me. மெய்ப்பொருள் காண்பதறிவு.